the light to one of these exits. Should a sudden decompression occur, an oxygen mask will drop from the service panel above your seat.
This one has been removed.
Yeah, I saw some data down sometimes.
Assisting me on this morning's flight are Jessica and LJ. If you require any assistance during the flight, please do not hesitate to call upon us. You'll have a choice of either the cheese ball, the bagel, or the maple and pecan nut Danish.
No fault, remember that you put that back. Put that back.
Can you wait?
After his blessing.
Okay, little Helen. What do you think of this weather?
I think it's lovely. Let me ask you something. How long have you been an idiot?
I'm not a lawyer.
You must answer that question.
Okay.
So that we eat our traditional chicken.
Right.
Thanks. Was Portuguese chicken, of course, is number one.
They roast it very well.
Yeah, they know how to. Portuguese chicken. Ish.
Yes. Let's go. 30 anos atrás. Então vamos encontrar alguns visuais de carros até ele vai fazer
Who is Spidey? You want to know?
Oi, tudo certo. Quality.
Sim. A ver aqui agora temos que isolar cabos. Caso esses dois que são da mesma, esses que são da mesma altura, vamos isolar juntos. Oh, you want?
Ensures a secure air travel experience.
Cabin crew, stand by. Prepare to disarm doors and cross-check. I always wanted to say that. Don't quit your day job, Hill. And remember to tune into Hot 1027, playing Joburg's best old school and R&B.
Hot 1027 breakfast. Powered by Airlink. Create special memories with Airlink.
Thank you for choosing any easy mode of travel. Take care, stay safe, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Goodbye.